So guys, sometimes you need to send a message, WhatsApp message at 1 a.m. or 3 a.m. Would you just wake up at 1 a.m. or 3 a.m. to send a WhatsApp message? I'm giving you another example. For example, you have to send 200 messages to someone. Would you just type the whole day long? It isn't possible, right guys? So at that time you require to automate WhatsApp using Python. So that's our today's video's topic. Automate WhatsApp using Python in just 2 lines of Python code. And this is going to be an introduction to our pywhatkit module. Pywhatkit is the module which we are going to use today. Okay, at the last of this video, I'm going to show you the documentation of pywhatkit. So for that we need to go to a computer screen. So let's go to a computer screen and start coding. I'm in my computer screen right now. What I did, I just created a folder, automate WhatsApp, and I have created a Python file, automatewhatsapp.py. Okay, let's talk about the installation of our module pywhatkit. So terminal, new terminal, just wait for a few seconds to get loaded. Okay, here you need to simply type pip install pywhatkit, then hit on enter. It will install your pywhatkit in just a few seconds. Okay, we have installed our pywhatkit in our system. So let's click on this file and let me close this. And as I have promised you, we will be doing the whole stuff within 2 lines of Python code. So the first line here is import pywhatkit, and the second line is pywhatkit dot send what message. Okay, then give a parenthesis here, and this is the phone number. I'm just blurring the phone number for some security reasons. Okay, I have typed the phone number with my country code, and the next thing is the message. Okay, the message will be, for example, hi, something like that, and then the time, which is the hour. Now the time is 6:19, so let me give the hour as 6, and let me take 2 minutes for it to get loaded. So now it's 6:19, let it be 21, and we need nothing more. Okay, just click on the run button and you are done with it. Okay, it is showing that in 7 seconds web.whatsapp.com will open, and after 20 seconds your message will be delivered. So let's just wait for it. Okay, our WhatsApp web is just opening. So guys, it has opened and it has typed hi, and it is now sending it to that number which I have typed here. So it has sent a hi. Here you can see it has sent a hi. So we are successful in automating WhatsApp using Python. How do you send bulk messages or spam messages using this? For example, 100, 200 messages. Just add a for loop here and you will be able to send 100 messages to a particular number. Okay, let me just show you the documentation of pywhatkit. So there is many things you can do with pywhatkit. You can even automate Google, automate YouTube, and there are many things. You can see this is play on YT, which is used to automate YouTube, and this is search, which is used to automate Google search. I have separate videos in my channels for these. I will soon create a playlist on pywhatkit tutorials. This is info. It is used to fetch information about any topic, and this is, it will convert any image to ASCII, this command, and this will convert your text to handwriting like this. Okay, And there are some other functions also, such as pywhatkit.show history. It will show information of all messages sent using this library, and it can shut down your system. Pywhatkit.shutdown, and the time is 100. Pywhatkit.cancel shutdown. It will cancel the shutdown schedule. Okay. Now pywhatkit.tutorial, Hindi or English. It will open a tutorial on how to use this library on YouTube. Pywhatkit.join Discord. It will redirect you to their Discord server, and this is pywhatkit.help. This function is used for more information about this library. Okay guys, this is the documentation. Hope you liked this video. So guys, that's all for today.